everyone, it's Cal or Caroline, whichever you prefer. I don't mind. Come back with my NEWFROG excuse me, diamond paintings. I've ordered 4 of them. I've just opened this bit here. So as you can see, I've not opened any of these. So excuse me, terrible cough, sorry about that. Right, move them 3 there. Right, I'll get my little file open so I can tell you about each one. There it is. So get me little doodah out. Don't know if anybody else has got doodahs, but I have got plenty. So that's my list. Right, so we'll have it open the first one, see which one it is. So I've never ordered off this company before, so be interesting to see. I ordered these on the 6th of January and they came on the 23rd, so 17 days. So this was the special, or if you like to call it, because it's got, I don't know if you can see, I don't know if I can try and smooth it out a bit more. Hang on, let's see if I can smooth it. Sorry for the shake of the camera, because I've had to do it on my phone because I haven't got a camera that can film. So it's having to be just there in front of me. That'll do. Don't know why I did that. So there she is. Beautiful owl. She's got 8 colours. And it has got DMC numbers on there for them. The usual kit, little boat, little bit of wax and your pink thing. I think I've got that many and I've only been doing it a short time. And oh look, an owl's on the first on the list as well. Can you see that? Oh, there you go. So 30 by 30, ordered from NEWFROG, price £3.17. And colours are 8, which I'll fill that in with a pen. So put 8 in there. And then here we've got the diamonds. Which are so do a quick check on these because there isn't many. There's your round ones. Oh, hang on. See if I can turn my light on. Would help, wouldn't it? Do we have any light in? Is that better? I don't know if that's better or worse, or try that. Don't know if you can see them. Like ones, 07s, yeah. 08s are those ones. And then we should have 6 of these. So we've got purple, blue, black, is it? Grey, I don't know, yellow, red, like an orange. So we have all them. So that's the owl one. So I'll just move that over. Number 2. Should we try cutting it this time? Oh, anything, I was scared of cutting the canvas. These are only small ones. I think they're all about 25, most of them. So excuse my throat again. So this one, I don't know if you can see. Can you see the skull in there? On that one, that's a 25 by 25. Uh, 17 colours. Sorry, the light's shining on there. 17 colours. The drill field looks really clear. Can you see? Really quite clear. Heart-shaped skull. Can you see that? 6th of January. Again, to say same. So it's received on the 23rd. 17 colours, 25 by 25, and that was £3.29. So I'll put 17 in there. Again, same boat. And there's lots of 17s in there. And again, we've got the DMC numbers, and I will checklist them off after. And that's number 2. And I'm glad these have come because I've run out today. I have another one to do. So, because as you all know, I've been waiting to do a square, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen. I'm a bit put off trying to order one now. Ah, right, this one, I think this is the horses. I've got this one for to do for my dad. Excuse me, going off camera then, because he's mad about horses. So I thought for Father's Day, this is what I do for him. I know Father's Day in the UK is not till June, but I saw it and I thought, well, I'll get it. And while I saw it. So that's I think that's a 30 by 20, sorry. You can see that. I know with the polystyrene it's a glare, but there's a lot of colours on this one. There's 27. And it hasn't got a picture of this one, but you can pretty much make it out there. 27 colours. Oh, we've got a little operating instructions sheet. Tell us how to do it if we're not sure on that one. The same things there. And hopefully we'll check them for 27 colours, but they haven't got any DMC numbers on them ones, so we might have to be doing a bit of matching up if we have any left over. So that one, yeah, 30 by 20, ordered at the same time again, and that one was £3.04. So I mean, they're the price of a coffee, aren't they? So the final one, yeah, we'll rip into this one. Oh, if you can hear noises upstairs, it's Lily on her crutches going back and forth up and stairs. Sounds like a herd of elephants going up there, I tell you. Again, the usual boat and square. This one is a heart-shaped flower. Is it called heart-shaped flower? Heart flower fall round. This one's got 20 colours. I don't know if you can see it up there. Sorry if I knocked it again. 20 colours. There's quite pretty colours as well, quite bright, aren't they? Again, it's very clear. Focus. Come on. This is as good as I'm going to get. Should we see if it's tacky? Oh gosh, yeah. Very, very tacky. So that one, and that one was 25 by is 25 by 25, and that was £3.40. So as you can see, £12 something I paid for all four, which I don't think is bad at all. Should we check these off? We might as well, and do a quick inventory. Why not? Does anybody else like the sound of it, or do they hate the sound of it? Some people like it, some people hate it, don't they? These ones come off on a reel, so I don't mind these. I put them in little doobry bags. So, 20 colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And they've got a lovely lot of colours in there. So yeah, so I think I might be starting on this one. So I hope you like my unboxing. Short and sweet, as they say, because it takes me so long on my computer to upload. I think the last video took about 4 hours and it's something like 6 minutes long. So I don't know how long this will take to download. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to have a look again on NEWFROG. But what I'll do is I'll do a reveal and you can see what they look like when they're done. So thanks for subscribing, take care and see you all soon. Bye for now.